Given example is of Fourier series in minus pi to pi, and we have to obtain Fourier series expansion of f of x is equals to e raised to x. Now this given function is neither even nor odd, so f of x is neither even nor odd, and its Fourier series expansion is given by f of x is equals to a naught by 2 summation 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus bn sin nx. We have to find values of Fourier coefficients. So a naught is given by 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x dx. This is 1 by pi minus pi to pi e raised to ax dx. Now integrate e raised to ax with respect to x, we get e raised to ax divided by a minus pi to pi. Substitute upper limit, lower limit, we get 1 by a pi, these constant values. Upper limit e raised to a pi, lower limit minus a pi. Okay. Now we know that formula of sine hyperbolic x. Sine hyperbolic theta is e raised to theta minus of e raised to minus theta divided by 2. So we have to adjust these two. We multiply numerator by 2 and denominator by 2 inside bracket. So we get value of a naught as 2 sine hyperbolic a pi divided by a pi. This is value of a naught. We have to find value of an. An is given by 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Therefore 1 by pi minus pi to pi, value of f of x is e raised to ax cos nx dx. Now we know that formula e raised to ax into cos bx is given by e raised to ax divided by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. Using this formula we get 1 by pi e raised to ax divided by a square plus n square a cos nx plus b sin nx, limit minus pi to pi. Now substitute upper limit, lower limit. We know that sin pi minus of sin minus pi, these both values are 0. So for upper limit, lower limit, we'll obtain 0. So remaining values are 1 by pi. This a square plus n square is constant value. A is also constant in numerator. We are remaining with e raised to ax cos nx. Limit is minus pi to plus pi. Now substitute upper limit, lower limit. We get a by pi a square plus n square e raised to a pi into cos of n pi minus of e raised to minus a pi cos of minus n pi. We know that value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Okay, this minus minus become plus. Here also we get minus 1 raised to n. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore value of this cos n pi is also minus 1 raised to n. A by pi a square n square minus 1 raised to n common from numerator, we will remaining with e raised to a pi minus of e raised to minus a pi. Again now add this 2 in numerator denominator, so multiply by 2 divided by 2, we get 2 minus 1 raised to n pi a square plus n square, and e raised to a pi minus e raised to minus a pi is sine hyperbolic a pi. So we will get value of a n as 2 minus 1 raised to n sine hyperbolic a pi divided by pi of a square plus n square, and this a here and here. Finally we have to find value of bn. Bn is given by 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx 1 by pi minus pi to pi e raised to ax sin nx dx. Again here we have to formula of integration e raised to ax sin bx dx formula. That formula is e raised to ax divided by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. Using this formula we will get 1 by pi e raised to ax divided by a square plus n square a sin nx minus n cos nx limit minus pi to pi. Now for upper limit and lower limit, this sign term becomes 0. So we will write remaining terms 1 by pi a square plus n square constant term. In numerator this minus n is common, remaining e raised to ax cos of nx minus pi to pi. Substitute upper limit lower limit, this minus n by pi of a square plus n square, upper limit a pi cos of n pi minus of lower limit e raised to minus a pi cos of minus n pi. So we get minus n pi a square plus n square. Value of minus cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta, as cos is even function. So this becomes cos n pi, again its value is minus 1 raised to n. So minus 1 raised to n common in numerator, we are remaining with e raised to a pi minus of e raised to minus a pi. Adjust again to numerator in numerator and denominator, we get value of bn as minus n into 2 minus 1 raised to n divided by pi a square plus n square, and value of bracket is sin hyperbolic a pi. Now substitute all values of a0, an, bn in Fourier series. We obtain f of x. F of x is e raised to ax as sin hyperbolic a pi divided by a pi. This is formula, these two from formula, and this is value of a0 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. Value of an is 2a minus 1 raised to n sin hyperbolic a pi divided by pi of a square plus n square into cos nx, plus value of bn is 2 minus n minus 1 raised to n divided by pi a square plus n square sin hyperbolic a pi sin